This is minus 75 micron size, that is under size of 75 micron, and this is plus 75 micron, means over size of 75 micron, and this is the screen of 0.5 mm, means this is plus 0.5 mm, that is over size of 0.5 mm, and this is under size of 0.5 mm and over size of 75 micron. So we are going to do flotation of this minus 75 micron size. हाँ ये बने हाँ टिके पकांत हाँ है गला. So this is the feed for flotation experiment. The amount you can see as 102.3 gram, which we calculated for 10% salt density. The calculated water according to the coal sample taken has been measured using this measuring cylinder, and that will be used in the flotation experiments. This is the flotation cell of InSmart company. This is also mechanical flotation cell. As studied, this is the impeller and it is the shaft, and this portion is the starter. As I have told you people, these are the bars of starter and this is the rotor at the bottom. Impeller has two parts, means it operates on the basis of two mechanisms. First one is rotor and second one is starter. Starter will not rotate, it will remain static, and as you can see the gap between two bars, there is a total number of 12 bars in this starter, and this one is the rotor. The bars will cut the water at some angle due to the gap within, and then the shear force will be generated. This is the air valve, I mean the air entry through a nozzle. All the flotation cells don't have the same constructional features. We can measure the air flow here, and when we will open the air valve, air will be injected through this vertical shaft and then it will get dispersed at the bottom of the cell by the impeller, and due to the shearing action, bubble will be generated. The measured water is being added to this dry coal to prepare a slurry mixture. This is the knob to move the impeller upwards and downwards, and this is the air valve opener knob, and this is to start the impeller, and this is to set the RPM or speed of the impeller. Maximum RPM can be set as 2270, and this is the electronic display of RPM speed. And the rate regulator is for switch on and switch off the power supply to the machine. And this chamber is to measure the air flow rate while the flotation operation is going on, and the maximum air flow rate here we can maintain as 35 meter cube per hour. A gap should be maintained, I mean the impeller should not touch the bottom of the flotation cell. Gap should be there for proper dispersion or mixing of the slurry. Here we have set the RPM as 1000 and now the air valve is closed. Conditioning time is taken as 3 minutes before adding each reagents, and here the collector is taken as diesel oil and further is MIBC, that is methyl isobutyl carbonyl. As per the calculation, the exact amount of reagents were added to the slurry mixture, and the conditioning time actually depends upon the material to material characteristics. After 30 seconds of further addition, air valve is opened and now you can see flows are being generated and we will start collecting time wise. As coal is a naturally hydrophobic material, that's why flows are generating very fastly.
एपट साइड जो अच्छी ताको आमे जोटा कही टू रिड्यूस द एंट्रेनमेंट वी हैव टू स्प्रे और स्प्रिंकल वाटर गोटे हम 15 सेकंड इटा हिगला नेक्स्ट एरिया खाली खान से आपण इटा धरते फोनटा धरंतु मु वीडियोटा इनला
As external water addition facility is not there in this machine, the pulp height is being reduced after continuous collection.
Water addition should be there to maintain the pulp level. You see the add for the pulp level maintain right. मेसिन स्टॉक है हमारा जेति कि हमें ड्यूरेशन रखितले टाइम ड्यूरेशन कलेक्शन सेति कि हमें तो हमें तीनटा सैंपल एबे कलेक्शन हेछि हमरा फर्स्ट होछि देखिए यहाँ हूँ 15 सेकेंड यहाँ हूँ सबुठ गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ कोल कारण फास्ट हाइड्रोफोबिक जिते भल ग्रेड्र से मैंने फ्लोट करीगले तो यहाँ टैग मुझे 15 सेकेंड नेक्स्ट आम नेक्स्ट 15 सेकेंड कलेक्ट कले 30 सेकेंड देख तार यहाँ देखु ता कंपेरिजन जना पड़ो से भल बोली बेसी हाइड्रोफोबिक ये वाटर आसी कम हाइड्रोफोबिक 30 सेकेंड ता नेक्स्ट 45 सेकेंड जोटा सेटार तुम खाली विजुअल डिफरेंस भी देखिपर यादे बबल जहाँ भी अच्छी यादे ना विजुअल डिफरेंस भी देखिपर 45 सेकेंड गला यहाँ और नेक्स्ट यहाँ जो बड़ा फ्लोटेशन सेल दैट इज टेलिंग दैट विल बी डिस्कार्डेड एज टेलिंग है तार भी आम नबा आस एनालिसिस करवा माने प्रोक्सीमेट तीनटा आमर फ्लोटेशन कनसेंट्रेट आम कलेक्ट कले गोटे 50 सेकेंड गोटे 30 सेकेंड और गोटे 45 सेकेंड और जहाँ बंचला फ्लोटेशन सेल आफ्टर द रिक्वायर्ड फ्लोटेशन टाइम दैट इज नोन एज टेलिंग।
तो सेटल
हाँ यहाँ सेटल हाँपाई रखाला ऊपर पूरा क्लीन वाटर हो क्लारिफाइड वाटर और तले जहाँ भी हमारे टेलिंग्स बंची से तले सेटल हवा ड्यू टू स्पेसिफिक ग्राविटेशनल फोर्स जो से धीरे धीरे सेटल हम तो आम यहाँ सेटल छाड़ीदे ताको आम ओवेन ड्राए जो तीनटा आमर फ्लोटेशन कनसेंट्रेट रहा ताको आम ओवेन ड्राए करवा ओवेन रखा तो पूरा ड्राए होला तार नेक्स्ट प्रोक्सीमेट एनालिसिस हम।